This video illustrates creating sectional view of a component or part. Let us see how to draw the sectional view of a component, which I am showing here. Okay, this is the object, and we are going to draw the sectional view for this object. This is the front elevation. And here this is the cutting plane. This is the cutting plane. Okay, through this plane object is cut, and this plane is AA. Okay, now we can draw the front view as a cut section view in the AutoCAD drawing. Let us see how to draw this. Now I'll start new drawing. Here I'll start a new drawing. Okay, and as usual, when you start a new drawing, go to the units and change the unit as millimeter and precision as 0,0, and go to the format and drawing limits 0,0, and here also I am going to draw 420 by 297, same thing, and then you can zoom all, and this is the space we have. Now we are going to save this as the sectional view. Okay, that's what we are going to draw for sectional view 1. Let us say save this. Now this is the space where we need to draw the sectional view of the component. As usual, you have to draw the construction lines. That is important for any orthographic or sectional view. Just to make a construction line. Here this is the default line where you can change the line weight as 0.3, and then you create a new layer. And layer name you can say construction line, and then you can change the color of construction line as any color you can choose, because I want to make it differentiate, and the line width also just you make it default, because for this we don't want much thickness. Default we can choose. Okay, now we have two layers. One is the object layer and another one is the construction line. Okay, first you draw the construction line. Here you can see what is the size of the drawing. Here you can see the size. The maximum size here we have 32 plus 13, for it will not exceed 50. You can, and similarly the full length also you can say 64, 33, 33, therefore 150 will be the maximum, and therefore we can draw the line of any size from here. Let us say I'm going to draw the 250, let us say. Let's make it a little bit bigger, and similarly the height I'm going to draw, just to use the ortho mode, and let us say it is 75 top, and similarly 75 the bottom, and then switch off. Draw the line 45 degree from here. Should be 45 degree. The line length maybe 100, and it is 45 degree. I think this is wrong. Let's say it is 120, and change it as 45. Okay. Now this is the construction line we have drawn. Now we can draw the object line. Here what is the size we have? This size is 33, okay, and 64 the size, and here also 33. You can draw the same, and only thing we are cutting here, only this portion we will see as a cut. Therefore here it will show the same thing, but the cut section will appear only this point. That will take it later. First we will draw this same thing, 33, 64, 33. And what is this height? 32 is the height. Okay, this height is 32 and this height is 64, length is 64. So from here we can start drawing. Make it a little bigger, and from anywhere you can choose. Just I'll make it from here and use ortho mode because it's straight line. This side 33 and height is, how much is the height? 32. Therefore 32, and this side 64. This is 64. Therefore same 64 will draw 64, and the same height 32, and this side also 33. Okay, and what is the height given here? The height is 13. Okay, height is 13, and the same 13 applies everywhere. Sorry. Okay, this height is 13, and this side the total length we have drawn as 33. This length is 33. 33 minus 13, it will be 20. And similarly, this height is already there, 32. This is the height 32. So height 32, and this side, see here, this height same 64 here. This is 64 from here to here 64. But what is this length? Should be more than that, because here we have 13 and here we have 13. Okay, therefore 64 plus you have to add 13 this side, and here also you have to add 13. Okay, that means how much you will get? 64 plus 13, 77. 77 plus 13, 90. Therefore this side should be 90, and the height same. Before we have seen 32 is the height. Therefore height 32, and now just select what is this length, and this length should be 33 minus 13, 20. For this side 20, and finish. Okay, now this is the front view. Actually, this is the cut section view. There should be some cut. See, the diameter 30 is a cut. Okay, this diameter 30 is a cut. In that case, it should be from the middle. From the middle, it is 30 millimeter. We have a cut. Okay, this cut is shown at this point. From the middle, this side 15 and other side 15. Therefore, you can take the line from here. You can choose the side. This is the midline. Select the line. From here, this side 15, and the height is, we have already known this height. This height is 13. Okay, now you can delete this small line which is not required, and you can mirror this line from this center to center. Okay, now whatever the points we have seen this side, whatever we have from here to here, all cut view, because we cut this point. Okay, up to this we already cut. Therefore this is the cut section view. Similarly, this side also we have the same thing. Up to this we already cut. Therefore you have to draw the hatching line. I will show you how to draw the hatching line. Here you can see hatch. Okay, select hatch, and select the line. This is the normal hatching line, and ANSI 31, and select the area where you want to draw hatching. Just you have to click. The hatching will occur only the closed area. Please remember, the hatching may occur only in the closed area. Now I have selected two closed area, therefore it is occur. Just I am going to extend this line little bit. Okay, this is the sectional view, front view. And if you want to draw the top view, how will you draw the top view? Because we need to draw top view to show the sectional part. If you want to draw the top view, you have to draw, just I will delete this, and in the top what you will see, this object you will see, and this portion you will see, and you will also see this portion, same portion you have other side, exactly same portion, whatever you have here, the same portion in the other side. Okay, now we can draw this one. For that you go to construction line and draw the construction line. From here, draw the construction line. Let us say just I am going to draw 30. Similarly, from here also I will draw 30. Okay, now from here we need to draw the top view. The top view, what you will see, what is the total length? This width is 70 and total length is 64, 33, 33. Okay, therefore you have to draw this. From here you draw 33. This is exactly 33. For that you need to choose the object line, object layer. From here, what you will see, this same height, this one is 20, and then you will see from the top, from here to here you will see, therefore up to this, and then I think just take this line, the construction line is not exact, 30. Now from construction line I have to draw from the edge. Now it will be okay. Go to the object layer and draw the line. From here 20, and then we have 90, and then 20. And what is the width we have seen? We have seen width as 70. You can see here 70. Therefore, this width is 70. And same thing, you can draw 20 and 90 and another 20 and close. Now we have the cut here. You can see this point we have one cut, and here we have cut. This cut we have, I'm going to draw now, this cut and the other side cut. This is here exactly the line 20. Therefore from here to here, similarly draw another line from here to here. Okay, now further we have a square. You can see square of 30 millimeter, square of 30 millimeter hole we have. That also we will draw here. This should be exactly middle. If you want exactly middle, just draw the line between middle to middle, and then you can draw the rectangle. Here also you can draw the line. What is the rectangle size? 30 by 30. Therefore from here you draw the 15, and then from here you draw 15. Okay, now this is the place, this is the center point. Okay, this is the center point. From this center point you have to draw the square. Therefore from here we'll draw, because from the center we have to draw. Otherwise we can do other method also, but I'll use the simple one. If you want to, you can draw the rectangle. Okay, you can use the rectangle, and first corner can choose any point. I'm going to draw from here, let us say. And what is the size? We have 30 by 30. 30 by 30. Okay. Now we can move this one from the center. If you have the center, you can move. Otherwise, you can draw the center line, center to center. Okay, and then move this and center to center. That's all. And delete unnecessary lines. These lines you can delete. Okay. Now this is the sectional. You can see this is the sectional front view and the top view. Top view, you can draw this section point. How to draw? For that, you have to go to the loading, go to the line type. This is the line type. Okay, you click the line type and select the line. Go to the load, and here you have different line types. Okay, and go to the center line. This is the center line. You can see center line. Select, and then click OK. Now you will see the center line. This is the center line. You can draw center line and little bit more. Similarly, from here also you can extend little bit and do. Okay, this is the center line, and you can mark what is the line name. We have A and A. Okay, therefore you can mark A and A here. This is the point A, and change this as 5, and then copy paste it here. This is the section view. Okay, for this is the front view. This is the sectional front view, and change this size as 5 also. If you want, you can just move it. Okay, this is the sectional front view, and then just copy paste it here, change it to top view. This is the top view. Okay, and move it a little bit middle. Now we can see this. This is the sectional front view and top view of the object which I am showing here. Okay, this is the sectional front view and top view, because we made a section at this point, and this is the sectional front view. Sections are shown by using the hatching line. You have to use the hatching line here. Okay, thanks for watching the video.